Hey everybody, welcome to Steak University TV. My name is Josh. Today I'm going to show you how to pan fry a USDA Prime Porterhouse steak. Okay, first things first, check your tongs, make sure they work. These work fine. Let's get to it. So this steak has been taken out of my freezer. It's been put in my fridge to thaw for 24 hours. Now it's been sitting on the counter for about 30 minutes, blooming, getting ready to go. So I'm going to apply my steak spice, and you know how we do. So I put a really thick coat on. This is a big steak, so you need it a lot to lock in the flavor. If Chicago Steak made a car freshener, I'd probably buy it. So my pan's going here. I've got it on high heat, and I'm going to apply more oil right to the pan. Be liberal, you know? Be liberal. I'm going to let that heat up really hot, and then when I put my steak in the pan, I'm going to push it away from me so that nothing splatters up on me and ruins this beautiful face. I also don't want to catch my beard on fire. Wow. Okay, so I know my pan is ready because there's a little bit of smoke coming off of it. And remember, when we do the continuous flip method, try to keep an eye on the time. Make sure you're flipping it every minute 30 seconds. Let's do it. Okay, now we just let that cook for a minute and a half, and then we're going to keep flipping it, and keep flipping it. That's a heavy boy. Ah, I like that. Look at that. Caramelization. Beautiful looking steak. I just let it sit and just crust. I love the outer crust of a good steak. Probably the best part of the steak for me. All right, let's give it another flip. All right, so we're getting really close to the doneness that I'm looking for. So this next step is my favorite part of all time. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna throw a couple things of butter in there. Thyme, garlic, everything is gonna go in there. Let that cook and sizzle. That butter is gonna give this meat a real nutty flavor, which I love. So once it's all melted down, grab your handle, tilt it up, take all that mixture, and baste your steak. I'm pretty sure we're really close to where we want to be temperature-wise, so just take a look at this beauty. Unreal. We're gonna get our thermometer in there, in the thickest part of the steak. Now, most important part when you take your steak out over here is you put it on a resting rack. At least 5 to 10 minutes for a steak this size so all the juices reabsorb. Never forget that step when making a steak. Awesome. So that's how you pan fry a beautiful USDA Prime Chicago steak. And don't forget a couple tips. Your butter, your garlic, your thyme, everything. No matter what you do, just make sure you cook it the way you like it. These are just some quick tips from Steak University. Hope you like it. We'll see you next time.